Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. Hope you are doing great. Today I'm here with one more gorgeous bottle art. My previous bottle art video is making of an antique bottle using clay. Many of my friends told me that they wanted it without clay. So this video is for you guys. You can use any thick string or rope. Before going into the video, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get instant updates of my videos. So let's begin. Mix glue with little water and apply it all over the bottle. Stick the tissue paper to cover the bottle and let it dry completely. I'm using a jute rope for this bottle art. Use glue and make designs as shown in the video. If more strands are coming out of the jute rope, you can apply some glue on the rope to make it smooth. Always apply glue on the tip of the rope so that it makes easier to make a coil or spiral designs. Use any doll or stones for decorations. Now let's start painting. First, paint the whole bottle in black. Now I am applying sparkling turquoise color. This is just to give a shimmering effect. You can totally skip this step if you want and directly apply the matte turquoise color. Now for the designs I am giving metallic copper. Then for getting turquoise color, you can mix blue, green and white. Finally, add some gemstones to make it extra prettier. Hope you liked this bottle art. Try it in your home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll see you all in the next video with a wonderful DIY.